Hello friends, welcome to my channel Slides Hub. Today we are here with an interesting topic, Netflix. As I know there's no one who didn't heard about Netflix or didn't watch series, movies on Netflix. Today we are here for the Netflix, how does it works, about its big data analytics. Big data is a field that treats
Way to analyze systematically, extract information from the deal with data sets that are too large or complex. So the first slide is introduction of the Netflix. Netflix Incorporation is an American subscription, streaming service and production company. It offers a library of films and television series through distribution deals as well as its own production known as Netflix Originals. Annabelle, The Witcher, etc. There are so many Netflix originals. Netflix has over 214 million subscribers worldwide and it can be accessed via an internet browser on computers, application software installed on smart TVs, set-top boxes connected to televisions, smartphones, Blu-ray disc players, video game consoles and virtual reality headset on the list of Netflix compatible devices. After this need for big data project that Netflix wanted to help viewers by choosing among numerous options available to them through their streaming service. A broad range of items is available on the catalog of the internet TV with pieces from different genres, from different demographics to appeal to people of different taste. Now, big data. As I told, it is a field that treats ways to analyze systematically or otherwise deal with data sets that are too large or complex to be deal with their traditional data processing application software. Netflix used data analytics by collecting data from their 151 million subscribers and implementing data analytics models to discover customer behavior and buying patterns. And also over 75% of the viewer activity is based off personalized recommendations. Netflix collects several data points to create a detailed profile on its subscribers. After this, data collection. So what is data collection? Data collection is the process of gathering and measuring information on targeted variables in an established system, which then enables one to answer relevant questions and evaluate outcomes. It is a research component, we can say that, in all study fields, including physical and social sciences, humanities, and business. It also uses its own open source solution, such as Lipstick, to gather, store, and process massive amounts of information. Second, Netflix collects huge amount of data from a vast variety of subscriber base. It collects data such as the location of a user, content watched by the user, user interest, the data searched by the user, and the time at which user watched. All the metadata related to a title in their catalog, such as director, actor, rating, reviews from different platforms. These platforms influence its decisions on what content to create and promote to viewers. After this, data analysis. There are three stages of how it performs analytics. But first of all, what is data analysis? Data analysis is a process of inspecting, transforming and modeling data with a goal of discovering useful information, informing conclusions and supporting decision making. So in this stage 1, offline computation is applied to data. Netflix uses Hadoop software for computation for result publication. Netflix developed an in-house tool called HIMS. Stage 2, the nearline layer consists of results from offline computation and other intermediate results. They use MySQL, etc. At the stage 3, the real-time event flow in Netflix is supported by a tool that was developed in-house. More specifically, they use EC2 instances. What is EC2? EC2, it's simply an virtual machine that represents a physical server for you to deploy your applications instead of purchasing your own hardware and connecting it to a network that are readily scalable and almost fault tolerant. All their infrastructure runs on AWS in the cloud. After this, the recommendation system of Netflix. What is recommendation? Recommendation system is a platform that provides its users with various contents based on the preferences and likings. In this, first filtering is collaborating filtering, second content based filtering. For example, in collaborating filtering, if a person A watches crime, scientific fiction and thriller categories and B watches scientific fiction, thriller and action categories, then A will also like action and B will like crime category. And in the content based filtering, for example, if you watched a film that has a scientific fiction category, the content based recommendation system will provide you automatically, it will provide you that type of scientific fiction movies with suggestions for the similar films that have the same category. After this, the conclusion of the Netflix. Their goal is to not getting bored for the pupil with a technicality. Netflix is clearly a great example of the power of big data. While you might not have the resources to create your own project for more big data efficiency, like Netflix did by creating its Genie project, the big data industry is rapidly evolving and a lot of open source tools exist to help you collect and process the essential data to understand exactly what your users want. Thank you.